If you've stumbled across this video, it's not by mistake. I've been feeling really strongly lately that the next 5 to 10 years are very crucial from an investment standpoint. I think a lot of people will need to take advantage of the window that's going to be open within the next 5 to 10 years. And I'm not I'm a spiritual person, but I'm not super spiritual. I'm not going to say God told me or an angel appeared to me or whatever, or I had a vision. None of the above. But one thing that I do have is strong intuition. And I've been having a really strong intuition lately, for the past few months, that we have a window within the next 5 to 10 years, a financial window of opportunity, um, where you can literally change the course of your life financially if you take advantage of it. And you need to be aggressive. And when I say aggressive, I don't mean like taking unnecessary risk. Aggressive from the standpoint of every penny possible that you can put it into strong, dependable investments. Now, I'm very intentional in the choice of words, strong, dependable investments. I'm not saying go and put it into some meme cryptocurrencies or some meme stocks, some penny stocks that will bankrupt you. I'm talking about putting into tested investments like the S&P 500, into the stock market, into strong companies that have been around, like your Microsofts, your Apple, your Google, Nvidia, tech stocks, right? Even if it's just ETFs you want to do, you can do stuff like QQQ. For tech stocks, you can do SPY, or if you're in Canada like I am, you can do stuff like VFV and VUN that will give you exposure to the S&P 500 and the stock market. But the crucial thing, you can even go into cryptocurrency and go for the tried and tested like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm not telling you to do this. This is just some of the things that I'm personally doing, and if you got to do your own research. But I feel like if you can, and it's going to take sacrifice. You're going to have to sacrifice, maybe cut back on things that you normally spend on. But if you're willing to make those financial sacrifices and pour as much money as you can into those solid investments over the next 5 to 10 years, your life is going to literally change. And I feel that very strongly. And I don't know who this is for, but if you're listening, it's for you.